Hi, it's Jonathan with Team 239 giving you a construction update of the Amenity Center at Verdana Village in Estero. As you can see behind me, the facility structure is completed. Over this way, the pool is going in. So this portion of the amenities is expected to open June or July of this year, 2023. We're in April right now, so a few months away. I would say end of July based on where things are at. So that includes the indoor sports court, basketball, the pool facilities, and so on. The restaurant and bar has not even broken ground yet. So that's going over here. They haven't broken ground. They were projecting or tracking for a 2024 opening on that. Based on where we're at, I'd say that's probably later in the year, 2024, but we'll provide you some updates as we go along. That's one of the reasons why you should subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell for notifications, because we do provide updates in these communities, both on the construction of the amenities and the community itself, how many lots are available, but also progress updates for your home, which are delivered to you directly, of course. So should you need anything, have any questions about this community or others, give us a call. I'm at 239-399-1175, or Kristin is at 239-571-7082. Email us at office@team239 or send us a text. We'll talk to you soon.